From now on, in the event that you are adjusting a object using a modal bevel, similar to you see me doing here, even if you've never created a custom profile, you'll be able to press Shift P and just begin scrolling through custom profiles inside of HardOps as you see me doing here. So just happy to announce that there's now custom profile support, just built in by default to HardOps, along with some presets that users can get started with. In the event that you have a custom directory of profiles that you wish to deal with, by pressing Ctrl K, we can bring up the Preferences helper. And jumping over to Properties, we can expand the HardOps properties where there's a toggle underneath Bevel defaults for default profiles. So by unchecking this, you'll be able to have it use your profile directory that you have specified. But otherwise, if you've never set up a profile nor intend to do so, just having this checked by default, which is already enabled, should allow you to just select any edge, bevel it even in edit mode, and then just press Shift P to begin scrolling through all the various types of profiles. So there's even an MX profile in there in case you're looking for that type of profile, but all sorts of profiles are there for users to go in and experiment with.